Today, I am working on strengthening that upper back. So your rear delts, your traps, your rhomboids, those muscles that are gonna help you sit up nice and tall, they're gonna pull your shoulder blades back and alleviate any of that back pain or neck pain you can have. These are called face pulls. So 2 different ways we can do these. If you have an awesome cable machine like I happen to have here, you can do them with cables. So we're gonna start there. So the first thing is, where do you set the cables for the face pull? You know, I'm gonna use a rope. If you have 2, that's a little bit better. I only have 1, so I'm going with 1. So the first thing you're gonna do is take and set it to where it's right at eye level height. So I'm gonna raise this up so that the cable attachment is as close as possible. You know, let's take it down just a little bit. Okay, so I have this set now to where I'm looking directly at the carabiner so that I can get the rope right in line with my eyes. From here, grip-wise, I want you to take an underhand grip and twist up. A lot of people will go in here and that's not gonna be as effective. So hands underneath and twist up. So once you have an appropriate weight set, you're going to line up with this, step back. Oops, too heavy. Let's try that again. Okay, once you have the weight actually set, you're gonna line up, take your grip there, and step back. I actually like 1 foot behind the other in a little bit of a lunge, and you're gonna pull straight line with your shoulder blades really contracting as you bring the rope really close to your face here, and back out. So now you know why they call it a face pull. All right, I love how this engages those muscles that can be so hard to hit. But what if you don't have a schmancy cable system? No worries, this is a great one you can do at home with just bands. So I'm going to lower my cable. And assuming that you have a post or a high, something that you can wrap a band around. You can use just a regular band like this one, like a TheraBand, or one of the long looped ones if you'd like. Here's what I've got for today. So same height, you're gonna take that band, wrap it at right about your eye level. Grip-wise, same thing, where you come under and twist up with your hands and step back to where you have a nice amount of tension on the band. And then from here, you're pulling and squeezing back and forward. So you want to keep your shoulders really contracted at the back. So hitting those rear delts, really squeezing together your shoulder blades, almost like you can hold a pencil there. And back. All right, it doesn't take a lot for these to get really hard. So I would start with 3 or 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps and work up from there, both with weight or with resistance. All right, those are face pulls, face pull exercise. I would love it if you could hit like and subscribe and check back for more great fitness information.